Good morning, everyone. Valentine speaking. Let's keep on learning. Let's keep on practicing. Listen and repeat.
Good morning, Anna. How's everything going today?
Good morning, teacher. I'm feeling all right, but I'm a bit tired. I was studying English late last night, and I think I need to work on my listening skills. Sometimes I understand written English, but when I listen to people speak, it's harder.
I understand. Listening comprehension can be one of the more challenging aspects of learning a language. It's completely normal to feel that way. Today, I'd like to focus on strategies you can use to improve your listening skills step by step.
That sounds helpful. I often read and try to learn new words, but when I watch a video or listen to a podcast, I lose track. The speakers talk too fast, or they use words I don't understand.
That's a common experience. One important thing to remember is that listening is not just about understanding every single word. It's about getting the main idea and gradually becoming comfortable with the sounds and rhythm of English. You don't have to catch everything at once.
That's good to know. But how can I practice if I find it so difficult? Should I just listen to the same thing again and again?
Repetition can help, but let's break it down into manageable steps. One strategy is to start with short, simple audio clips. It could be a short dialogue or a short news segment for learners. Listen to it once without subtitles. Try to catch the main idea. Then, listen again with subtitles or a transcript if it's available.
Let's keep on learning. Let's keep on practicing. Let's never stop. Let's never give up. Let's listen to English every single day.